adjust the number of players per row. Ensure the total number of players matches the total in the rows. The number at the bottom right of the row controls indicates any discrepancy. Dragging players to the alignment guides will move them to a different row. In the row controls, you can precisely set margins, and the software will automatically redistribute the players within the row. Once your layout is set, you can easily swap player positions. Select one player and click the swap icon on another player to exchange their positions.